Hi everyone, welcome to Eden's Secret. I'm going to be on the ball this year. At least I'm going to try to be. Every year at this time I start thinking, I've got to get my Christmas products made. I've got to get my Christmas products made. And I end up ordering fragrance in like October or whatever. And then my Christmas products, all of them go live in like November. Last year I remember making Christmas products in December, so I'm going to try and be better this year. So what I thought I would show you is my Christmas fragrance delivery. All the fragrances I have, there are a couple that aren't Christmas fragrances, but they will still be carried during the Christmas period, as well as the other fragrances, the soaps I've already made. They'll probably be available as well. It won't all be Christmas fragrances. But we're going to start off with my Nature's Garden fragrances. And these are obviously from Nature's Garden, but we have a supplier in the UK called Sell the Smells. I know I've been hammering them a lot on YouTube, but the great thing is they carry a really good range of all the best sellers of the Nature's Garden fragrances. They're £29.50 for 16 ounces, which obviously is more expensive than Nature's Garden, but I've been ordering from Nature's Garden for many years, like 10 years. And they've changed the shipping option, where if you're going to buy from there, you've got to arrange a collection. You've got to arrange a courier to go in and collect. Now, I'm a little bit of a type of person, I'd rather order with ease than any palaver. So, yes, they are more expensive, but if you do order direct from Nature's Garden, you're going to have a massive shipping cost, and because their shipping was never cheap, and also you're going to have import duty and everything to pay on that, which is expensive, because anything you buy and import into the UK, you have to pay import duty and tax on that. So the other great thing is it usually takes like 2 weeks for the Nature's Garden fragrance to get to you, but if you order from Sell the Smells, they come in a few days. I ordered on, these came yesterday, Thursday. I think I ordered these on Tuesday or Monday, and they're literally here so quick, and I love that, because to me there's nothing more exciting than getting a fragrance on delivery. I absolutely love that. Okay, so here we go. Let's go through the list, shall we? So we've got Reindeer Poo, which does have a very slight discoloration to it. It's unlike anything I've smelled before, and it's really fruity and lovely. It's apple, pear, eucalyptus, pine, geranium, vanilla, sandalwood and patchouli. Love that. I like all of them. I'm really happy with all of them. Pumpkin crunch cake. Absolutely gorgeous fragrance there from Nature's Garden or Sell the Smells. Autumn Magic. I carry this every Christmas because I just love it. It's a gorgeous sweet cinnamon. Tinsel. Never had this one before either, so this does discolour to tan. It's going to be okay though. I know a lot of these are like discoloration fragrances, but what I'm planning to do, it'll work fine with them. So Tinsel, really interesting. Pomegranate, strawberries, raspberries and peppermint. Very unusual. Sounds pretty straightforward, but it's actually not. Really nice. Can't do an autumn and winter without toasted marshmallow, can you? Believe it or not though, this is the first time I've ever had toasted marshmallow, and I've wanted it every single year and never got round to it. There was always something else I wanted more. Or, you know, because I always carried the same fragrances, I would have to buy those first. Now I can just try whatever I want to. And this is a very, very dark discoloration. Now I love it when a fragrance discolors really, really dark brown. To me, that's better than a mid discoloration. So obviously, it's pretty obvious what this one's going to smell like. It's just as the name suggests, it's marshmallows, sweet sugary marshmallows toasted over a fire. Mrs. Claus Cookies, absolute yummy, absolutely delicious. So this one is also discolors to really dark brown, and it's sugar cookies, buttercream frosting and vanilla bean Noel. Creme Brulee, I have used this before, absolutely love that. Again, I'm sure that is like a dark tan discoloration, not dark brown but dark tan, and just as the name suggests, it's a typical creme brulee for gorgeous vanilla custard pudding with crunchy sugar caramel on the top. Jack Frost, you could probably guess this is probably a peppermint type fragrance. And this does this colour as well. I'm surprised about that. But I did check all of these before I actually bought them. Peppermint, vanilla and buttermint candy. Another one I've been wanting to try for 10 years. Cotton-headed Ninny Muggin. Very unique. Quite different to anything I've ever had before. Discolours to a dark brown, but it's sweet. Buttery coconut with heliotrope and spice. That's different, isn't it? I've gone for purple Hooters. I used to do a purple Hooters fragrance a long time ago, probably 2012, 2013. So I'm reintroducing that one for the winter. No discoloration on this one. It's absolutely magnificent. Lemon, grapefruit, lime, strawberry, raspberry, chambord liqueur, greenery and paper whites. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? I've got a bottle of black raspberry vanilla, and I know someone that's probably going to be on the phone straight away. Can you make me a loaf of soap with black raspberry and vanilla? I got that one because all of the fragrances I wanted weren't available in the quantities that I wanted, like larger quantity. So I thought, oh, I'll just throw me a black raspberry and vanilla in. And then we've got Christmas Memories. Again, absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with all of them. I've forgotten to write down the information on the Christmas Memories, so we'll come back to that one. This is a bottle of Love Spell from Gracefruit. Then I've bought some fragrance oils from CRAFTOVATOR. They've just come this morning. I've bought Birthday Cake, which is absolutely wonderful. Fresh Fluffy Sponge, Double Cream, Strawberry Jam, Sweet Pink Icing and Sugar Sprinkles. It's a shame the labels have got a bit of liquid on there. So I've also got Crispy Marshmallow Treats. Again, it smells absolutely fabulous. It's just like, obviously, exactly like the sweet sugary puffed rice, marshmallow and caramel. Then Craftastic, I've got Yognog, which is a Lush dupe. Probably a bit like eggnog with some cognac in there. I've bought Butterbeer. Now, if you've been to Universal Studios in Florida or Los Angeles, and you've been to the Harry Potter area, you might have tried the Butterbeer, which I actually loved. Nothing like I expected it to taste. It's just really like a a vanilla caramel slush with this gorgeous, delicious, creamy fluff on the top. I've smelt this. I'm not sure it smells exactly like it, but it's difficult when you're smelling lots of different fragrances together. It's hard to decipher some fragrances sometimes, but I'm sure it's spot on. Also a Christmas cookie from CRAFTOVATOR. This smells absolutely wonderful. White cocoa, warm cookies, nuts, biscuits and vanilla. And then the last one, also from CRAFTOVATOR, is candy cane. I had to do a candy cane, didn't I? Smells just like, obviously smells like candy canes, but in the UK we get something called Candy Rock. It's not in the shape of a candy cane, it's just a long, thicker stick of candy cane. So it's a lovely, just delicious, sugary peppermint. Okay, so I actually did write down the Christmas Memories fragrance notes. It does discolours to tan, and it's orange peel, cranberry, cinnamon clove, evergreen and pine cones. I'm not actually a lover of pine smells at all. I haven't ever had one that I really liked because they just smell like cheap Jack toilet cleaner to me. However, this doesn't, because it's got all these other gorgeous fragrance notes in there, such as the orange peel, the cranberry, the cinnamon, the clove and the evergreen. So yes, it's got pine cones, but it's not predominant on the pine cones. Right, so let's have a look at our lineup, shall we? Christmas Memories, Yognog, Butterbeer, Candy Cane, Crispy Marshmallow Treats, Christmas Cookie, Birthday Cake, wanted that for ages, Love Potion or Love Spell, which is one I carry all year round anyway, Purple Hooters, Cotton-Headed Ninny Muggin, Black Raspberry and Vanilla, Jack Frost, Creme Brulee, Mrs. Claus's Cookies, Autumn Magic, Toasted Marshmallow, Delicious Pumpkin Crunch, Tinsel and Reindeer Poo. So there we are. That's my 2020 Christmas collection of fragrances. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you very soon for another one. Looking forward to that. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye for now.